Understanding shortness of breath. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common health-related phrase that you might have heard, shortness of breath. This phrase is crucial to understand, not only because it's commonly used in medical contexts, but also because it can be essential in everyday conversations about health and well-being. Let's explore what it means, when to use it, and how it's used in sentences. Shortness of breath, also known as dyspnea, is a feeling of not being able to breathe well enough. It is a sensation where one feels they can't get enough air or their breathing is labored. This can happen due to various reasons, including intense physical activity, high altitudes, extreme temperatures, or health issues such as asthma, heart problems, or lung conditions. Understanding this phrase is vital, as it helps you describe a specific medical symptom accurately. This phrase is particularly useful in medical situations or when discussing one's health. Here are a few contexts in which you might use it. Describing symptoms. If you're feeling unwell and need to describe your symptoms to a doctor or a healthcare professional. In emergencies. When someone is having difficulty breathing, it's important to communicate this symptom clearly in emergency situations. Discussing health and fitness. When talking about the effects of exercise, altitude, or weather on your body. Example sentences. After climbing the stairs, I experienced a shortness of breath. The doctor asked if I had any shortness of breath during the episode. High altitudes can often cause shortness of breath among hikers. Understanding the context in which shortness of breath is used can help differentiate between a temporary, non-serious condition and a symptom of something more serious. Here are some tips. Pay attention to the situation. Is the person at rest, or did they just finish an intense workout? Consider other symptoms. Are there any other symptoms mentioned along with shortness of breath, like chest pain or dizziness? Look for duration. Is the shortness of breath described as a fleeting moment, or has it been ongoing for some time? These considerations can help you better understand and communicate the severity of the situation. We hope this video has helped clarify what shortness of breath means and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, it's a useful phrase for discussing health-related issues, and understanding it can significantly improve your ability to communicate in English, especially in medical scenarios. Stay healthy, and see you in our next video.